Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect VPN in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on Network and Internet. Now go to VPN. Here you can see connect option. You have to connect your VPN and you have to turn on these buttons. And you also can add a new VPN by clicking on Add VPN. That's it. So this is how you can connect your VPN in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.